Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Data Education Project video tutorial series for the Ruby programming, and in this session number 44 we are going to summarize the some last methods of the hash data structure. So in the last programming we left this thing, and now we are creating some other array just like hash dot new, and we can set the values of dot uh, imply, and then use amp name something like this, and we will assign the values with here set bullada imply amp age 32 years old, imply amp city, it will be Lahore. Okay, now first of all we will learn uh, the merge method in the hash data structure. Okay, for this thing we will create all data with the name of all data. Hash structure is here, and then we will write imply dot merge, and then after that we will in the small braces name the other hash data structure which we want to merge it. Now we will inspect all data dot inspect and run this program here. Okay, you can see that it will merge the both data here. If we want to display the values, so it will be more easy for us to understand the inspection. Puts department dot inspect. Run this program once again. So you can see that these two hash was together in this all data information, all data hash is here. So similarly, if we want to make another method, and that was all data is equal to imply dot merge with exclamation, then we have something different amount of data. First of all, I just want to show you that what will be the output of our output of the all data. The output of the all data was never changed. It will be the same one. If we will change, we will remove the comments from the imply, then you can see that the both have the same merge data, but exclamation hash was just outside from this thing. You can see that run when you write the exclamation merge, it means the department was not merged with the values. It will contain only his own values here. So similarly, you can perform this data with another method which has the same thing, and that was the update method. Why these are the both synonyms? Because the output of these results are the same. So that's why either you use merge exclamation thing, or either you will use update, the result will be the same one. So in this way you can do different things for different purposes. Now we will discuss the other method, and what is this one? Other methods like associate methods, and for this thing we are going to use push, and then we use imply something department associate, and in this we will provide the object value, and we can see the object value department ID here. Okay, now run this program once again. You can see that it will return us the both values, department ID and account. So in the associate methods, you can provide the one value and it will return the two values, key pair values. It will be returning the values in the key pair here. So if you will provide the values here, something I thought associate 25, then what will happen, we can see that. So you can see that the nothing value will be shown here. Either it will give the return us the nil value, or either it will return us the pair values here. So if you want to see that, then it will giving us the nil values, because we must provide the uh, uh, something like this, the key here, and then if we will provide the key, then it will get the value of that key too. Then you can see that it will show the values here. Similarly, we have another method. Uh, we have the last method, and it will be verse associates methods. And in this method, for example, department dot re associate id. Run this method once again. Okay, we have missing something here. Oh, okay, I think I'm missing e is adding automatically. So r associate, it was the inverse here. So you can see that nothing will be shown here. Why it happened? And because in this way we can inspect once again. The inspect is the best way to find that what kind of values we are here. So you can see we have the nil values here, but if I will give the accounts here, then what will be the output? You can see that now it's very clear. In the associate function, we will provide the key, while in the our reverse associate we have provided the value here. So in this way you can do something different with the Ruby programming here. So okay, that's enough for today. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for further videos. Allah Hafiz.